Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how to enable CFD trading on Etoro. So let's dive into it. So first thing to do, which is your first step, is to log in into your account using your account credentials. If you're on the website, make sure you log into your account, and if you're on the mobile app, make sure you log into your account. Then from there, tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select the settings from the menu. And after that, you have to open the trading settings section, then look for the CFD trading and tap enable. Complete the trading knowledge assessment if prompted and accept the raised disclosure and the terms. Then once you're done with that, tap confirm and CFD trading will now be activated on your account. And that's how you can easily enable CFD trading on Etoro. If you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.